Hello guys, happy Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers. Yeah, I received a beautiful card from Vashti. Ito yung ginawa niya kagabi guys. And look at this. Oh. Happy Mother's Day, Vashti, May 12, 2024. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ang sabi dito is, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Video ako mamaya kasi I'm sure malayo dyan. So, ayan. Look at that. It's beautiful. Vashti, did you make this one?
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, untouched naman. At meron siyang message. Ayan. Meron siyang message doon. Ayan, I will read it for you guys. To Mom, I'm grateful for a hardworking and loving mother like you. You always teach me what's right and wrong so that I can be successful. Oh, Vashti, this is really makes me cry. You make tasty food and always take care of us. I'm thankful to God for blessing me with a nice mom. Oh my goodness. Who actually cares even when I'm hard-headed. You are patient and still try to discipline me. Thank you again for being the best mom I could ask for. Vashti! Oh my God, I'm really touched, guys. I'm really touched. No itches, guys. Vashti, thank you. Come hug Mama. This is really, really, really makes me happy. Thank you for the nice message, my daughter. Happy Mother's Day all!
Ayan guys, kakatapos ko lang na-read yung ano. Hindi ko na-expect guys na napaka-emotional yung pagbasa ko ng ano. Ngayon ko lang kasi, kanina ko lang binasa. Ayan, look at that. Ang ganda, di ba? What do you think, Annie? I love it. Ito yung inano niya, oh. Ngayon ko lang binasa guys nung nag-video ako kaya na-touch naman ako kasi na-appreciate pala niya yung mga ano. Thank you, my daughter. Ayun siya. Hinihintay namin si Jet, yung girlfriend niya na pumunta dito, guys. Ayan, pero ito, oh. Ito pala yung ayaw niya akong papasukin kagabi sa kwarto niya kasi meron pala siyang ginagawa. Oh my God, Vashti, this is beautiful flower. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, diba? See? Wow! Ayaw niya akong papasukin kagabi sa kwarto niya eh. Ayan, guys. And ito yung notes niya. Oh. Nakaka-touch naman. This is the best gift, Vashti. Ayan. Sino naman ang hindi mapapaiyak dyan, guys?
I want to put tasty food first.
Ah?
I want to put tasty food first.
Ayan ang papang nag-lose weight siya, guys. Let me see your stomach. Oh, diba? How many weight do you have now? You are 180. 185. 185 siya, guys. Ay.